Hello everyone, this is Ritika Kanujia and you're watching TVC Media and Promotion. Today we are going to interview Mr. Sammir Dattani of Sanathan Industries. Hello sir.
Hi, hello.
Sanathan Textile is known for innovation. What's one upcoming trend in yarns or fabrics that excites you most?
So I think active wear, performance wear is a very exciting space. We all are becoming more health conscious and we are going to the gym, we're going to running, we're doing yoga, and we have a wide variety of yarns which are used in these fabrics and garments. We have our range of stretch yarns because everything we wear, we want the freedom of motion, we want shape retention. We also have our range of dry cool yarns, which are moisture management yarns, where the fabric when you wear for workout keeps you cool and dry through your workout. Then we have our range of S-Flex yarns, which are self-stretch yarns, which require no lycra, no spandex, just the polyester filament yarns have the stretch capabilities. So these are just some examples of the exciting yarn products that we've introduced to our customers in the market, keeping in mind the upcoming trend and fashion and demand requirements.
When I buy a garment that uses your yarn, how can I identify that it's made from Sanathan yarn?
So identifying in a particular garment is very, very difficult of which yarns is made. But I can tell you that since we make a wide variety of yarns, which are used in many end-user applications, and let me explain to you, the yarns that we make at our factories in Silvassa and Punjab, we make a wide variety of yarns that are used from bed sheets, bath mats, towels, sport shoes, shirts, suits, saris, active wear, gym wear. We also make yarns for luggage fabric, umbrella fabrics, hoarding fabrics, flex fabrics used on advertisement hoardings. Our yarns are used to make fabrics for construction like geogrid fabrics. They're used for safety slings, nets, etc. Seat belts, automobile fabrics. So many wide applications of yarns, which means that the yarn that we make at our facility is used by you and me every day, everywhere from morning to night.
With rising prices and global supply chain uncertainties, how are you ensuring that cost quality ratio for the consumer remains favorable?
So obviously we're in a world where there is a lot of constant changes, geopolitical, incidences that affect trade flows globally. It affects raw material pricing, it affects commodity pricing. And what we're trying to do is manage our supply chains more efficiently, have deeper partnership and relationships with our suppliers and customers to proactively track the situation and see how we can mitigate any possible risks, to have shorter supply chains so we have very low inventory either in transit or at our warehouse, try and anticipate demand better so we again do not stock up much finished goods and we only have finished goods as much as the order book in hand. So things like that, a lot of other such practices we have tried to introduce to make sure that we remain agile and very focused on what's happening out there.
With India becoming a major global textile hub, what's your strategy to connect Indian yarns to global fashion?
Understanding customer trends, trying and seeing what the customer wants in India and globally, how to be more competitive in the global scenario. And also, one thing that's working in our favor, in India's favor, is that the entire world is looking at an alternate supplier, and India is a strong contender to be an alternate supplier of yarns, garments, fabrics, and textiles to the world. And I think India is going to capitalize on this opportunity over the next coming years. Having said that, our India population, which is the youngest and the largest, is also a very strong consumer base that we have internally. So we can actually buy in India, make in India, and sell in India, which is a huge growing market for the textile industry.
What's the bigger dream of Sanathan Textiles? How far do you aim to take this Indian brand on the global textile map?
So obviously we have very big dreams in our eyes, and I can just say one thing, that whatever we do, what we have done so far, what we're going to do in the future, we are constantly focused on how we can add value to our product, how we can add value to our partners, whether it's a supplier, whether it's a customer, and add value to the entire ecosystem, whether it's tangible value or intangible value. We're always focusing on growing. Growth is very important, and there's ample opportunity in the textile industry and textile sector in the coming years. We want to sort of capitalize on that opportunity, grow, but grow in a healthy, sustainable manner where we can add value to the ecosystem.
Polyester often faces criticism for being non-biodegradable. How are you addressing this through recycling or sustainable manufacturing practices?
So I think first thing that we're trying to address this situation is by ensuring that we try and lower our carbon footprint as much as possible. Now our new facility in Punjab has a far lower carbon footprint than other facilities in India or our own facility in Silvassa, because we have completely reduced the supply chain. Instead of the raw material coming from North India to the West and then yarn going back to North India, now we are procuring locally, manufacturing there locally, and supplying to our customers there locally, drastically reducing the travel time and the emissions or the carbon footprint that the product carries. We are using reusable packaging material, reducing the dependency on cardboard, paper boxes, which are one-time use and then they're scrapped. We are trying to ensure that we have green power that we use in the process, whether it's through rooftop solar or tying up with green electricity generators, where we do some kind of an arrangement and we have a guarantee take or pay arrangement with them. We're trying to reduce our heating costs by using agriculture waste at our new facility in Punjab. So we are not depending on fossil fuel. Apart from it being cheaper, it's also far more environmentally friendly, and it's dealing with the problem of how to use this agri waste that is abundantly available in Punjab and in North India. So at every level, at a product level, we have a range of colored, dope-dyed, bond-dyed colored yarns, which require zero water pollution. They require 66% less chemicals and have a far better product color depth, and also eliminates an entire process for the customer about sending the fabric for dyeing, conventional dyeing. We also have a range of stretch yarns. We have a range of fire retardant yarns, where instead of the fabric which is going out to another process of coating or dyeing or any other such application, the yarn inherently has more value addition. So we cut off complete process, again reducing the carbon footprint of the product, reducing the loading, unloading, packaging and transportation charges that you need to do for an additional process. So we're trying to add value and trying every opportunity to become more sustainable, try and reduce waste. Most importantly, try and reduce waste in our process in every possible way. For example, the carton boxes that we use recycled paper. So at every level, we are thinking how to reduce waste, how to use technology and automation to improve efficiencies, reduce costs, and also obviously we have a range of recycled yarns under the brand name Sanathan Rivero, where we're using waste PET bottle flakes to make yarns. So at every level, we're trying to see what we can do to be more environmentally conscious, to reduce our carbon footprint of the product.
As you know, there are many duplication of the products. Your company is doing any campaigns to educate the consumer to identify the products?
So we are trying to increase our customer experience, whether it is first branding our products in a way that there is a certain recall that the customer has, branding our products in a way that the unique characteristics or properties of our yarn product are clearly communicated to the customer in a nice, packaged way, like a nice quick reel or an advertisement or a short clip or a video. Also, we are ensuring that the customer is able to take value of the different products that we have. So there is more interaction with the customers through emailers, through social media, Instagram, Facebook, etc. And we are ensuring that even the communication of order, of deliveries, of payment reminders, all of it goes through on a digital platform. E-invoices are sent, so there's no longer requirement for just paper invoices. There's e-invoicing happening. E-invoice emails are sent every day. Order book reminders are sent to the customer. So we're increasing and improving our customer interaction and process of buying and working with Sanathan Textiles to make sure that we are in sync with our today's world and what the customer expects as a good customer experience.
We got very requested one question. If you could make a film inspired by the textile world, what would the storyline be?
That's a difficult one. That would require a lot of creative thinking, but it would definitely have elements of the India story of textiles, how India as a country has been one of the leaders in the textile industry globally, and how India is at such a strong inflection point in the coming years when we can actually become a textile supplier to the world